Hey, this is Sam Schulte. I'm going to show you how to download a PDF of your full credit report so that you can email it to me, and then I can help you, with the qualification process. So after you've already logged in, go to you go to log in. It'll ask for your last four of your social. And so what you want to do is go to reports up here, and then go to archived reports. And now I pulled mine a couple times. So we have the one that was pulled at this time, and at this time. So if you've done it a couple times as you're if you're repairing your credit or something, use the most recent one. Then push that. So then push compare all, and then go to print. You have to have Adobe PDF Reader in order to, so you don't have that, download that here, but most people have it. While that's loading up, in the meantime, I'm going to show you. So this gives you, for that $1, it gives you a 7-day trial of this program. But as soon as you get this, you can actually just unsubscribe from it right off the bat, because what it'll do is you'll still have access to it for the next 7 days. So call this number and then tell them you want to unsubscribe, and they'll try to upsell you or say that if you stay on, it'll be $15 instead of $30 a month. But so they're easy to get. It's easy to get unsubscribed from them. So go ahead and do that, and then that way you're done with it. You don't have to think about it later. You'll have the next 7 days to review this still until they turn you off. So okay, so here's my report. Now I have a Mac, so there's some different ways I would do this. But however you would do this with if you have a PC. You would download application, and then you're going to turn it into a PDF. So what I'm going to do on my Mac here is I'm going to save it as, actually I'm going to export to PDF. And so it's going to land here. And so just put your, rename it for, the date. Take that and then email that to me. This doesn't have your social security number or anything on it. That's how that works. And look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.